That is about 2 feet of snow. That's the hood. That's the end of the car. That's all pure snow right there. Haven't even opened this thing yet. We're gonna see how that goes. There's a trunk, sorta. So if you've seen the video before this, you've seen all that. So now we're gonna try to open it. See how deep my feet are. See if we hear it unlock. And there it goes. Okay. Let me. Oh, this is a bad idea. All for YouTube. Woo! That was cold. Alright. And that ain't coming off. Get to pull that out. Broken handle. Okay, let's get in this thing. Ooh. Get down off my feet. Alright, shut this fucking door. Okay. It's about 6 degrees outside right now. Can't even see out the hood or any of that. It's all frozen. So, let's give her a start. Pop her in neutral. Drop her down. Ooh, she died. Let's try again. Oh, okay, quick start. She got a bad timing issue. Bad timing issue. I'm not rolling, am I? So when I put her in park, she automatically starts up to 2. So she's in park. You'll hear it now. Put down the brake hard, now neutral. Where's neutral? Let's try drive. There she goes. That's drive. Put off the brake. She got a bad timing issue. Oh shit, she's rolling. Fuck me. Piece of shit, emergency brake. Fuck that. Alright. Now on these lights. She was fucking rolling. I can't believe that. Fuck that. Well, as you can see, the lights are covered in snow too. Well, yeah, that's that. There you go.